Hi, today we will see how to host your local web pages to Firebase. Let's get started. First we will create a project in Firebase. Let's name the project as Hosting Demo. Now let me accept these terms. Click Continue. Let's accept and hit Create Project. Let me go to my local folder where I have the web page to be hosted. We will create a folder here and will move all the required files for the web page into the folder. I am naming it as public here. Now, let's go back and open terminal application at the root level. The first will be to initialize Firebase in this folder. For this we have the command Firebase init. This will show us the various options or features we have with Firebase. We will select hosting here as we are going to use this function to host our web page to Firebase. We have already created a project in Firebase, so here we will choose the existing project option. Now let's give the folder name which we have created earlier in our project folder where we have placed all the files, that is public here. Since we have already placed index.html in the public folder, I don't need to rewrite them, I will choose No. Now the initialization is completed. If we check the project root folder, we can see a file called firebase.json will be created. Once the initialization is completed, the next step is to deploy the files to web. For this, let's use the command Firebase deploy. Now we can see that the files are getting uploaded to Firebase hosting services. Once the deployment is completed, our page is live and we get the URL to access the page. Let's copy the URL and paste into a web browser to check. We can see that this works and we are able to access the page now using the URL. Also, if you check on your Firebase project, inside hosting, you can see the file uploaded. That's all for the session, thank you.